Hey, what up, class? It's Martin Tellez, and I am here to do the crew check-in. Um, we're supposed to talk about our three most interesting things that we've learned so far, and I can think of several. Um, One being that the moon, I didn't realize that it was like all ash and like dust. Um, that was pretty cool to learn. Also, Mercury, how I always thought it was super hot on Mercury. I didn't realize it was actually cold sometimes there on Mercury also. And the third thing that I learned was Venus and its clouds. I didn't realize that it was like completely covered in clouds. So that was new to me. Anyways, I hope to continue on with the reports and Jupiter I really am interested in. So peace out till next time.